Michelle here from Straw-Bearie Designs, and besides doing YouTube videos, I'm also a teacher, and I teach multimedia and I teach technology. And a couple of weeks ago, I went to the TCEA convention, which stands for Texas Computer Educators Association, and I wanted to share with you what I carry in my bag when I go to a convention. And first of all, I'm kind of a nerd in that I like to use the bags they provide. I don't know why. This bag is kind of cool because it has a super long strap so you can wear it across your body so that it's not hurting your shoulder and dragging your arm down as much. Always a water bottle. And then if I open up this small little compartment right here, inside there, I just put a little baggie where I put a couple of Advil just in case it's one of those days where you need something. I put in some cash because I don't usually carry a purse, some lifesavers, and then even some change for the vending machines. The first day at the convention, there was no food. I stood in line and they ran out of food at the restaurant that was there at the convention center. And good thing I had snacks in my bag, which is one of the other things that I carry in my bag are some snacks. And also, that one got kind of squished. Also, when you're taking these classes, you get to choose your classes. And sometimes the classes you really want go straight from like 10 to 2 and you're starving to death. So it's always nice to have some snacks in your bag. I did take a little mirror, you know, just in case. My iPad. So that was a definite take. And along with my iPad, I have my stylus. Now this is a disc stylus, if you can see that, and it works awesome on my little old iPad. And a pen. I did not take any paper because it's a technology conference, and I figured if they really need us to write down something, they're going to give us the paper for it. I also had my laptop, and my laptop is not in my bag right now because I left it at school this weekend. I am a firm believer of trying to get my work done at work so that when I'm at home and I can relax and I don't have to worry and think about it. So I left my laptop at school this weekend, but I would take the charger and the laptop. Of course, I have the charger to my phone and my iPad. And I have an extra pair of shoes. Some sandals to wear because you're walking all over the place and your feet are going to get really tired of having to go everywhere, so it's nice to have a change of shoes. And along those lines, I also wanted to mention that I had a pair of Rockin' Feet in my shoes. Rockin' Feet are actually sponsoring this video, and they are so cool and so awesome. Hi, Michelle here from Straw-Bearie Designs, and I am here at the Rockin' Feet booth at the TCEA conference. They are super thin. They're about as thick as a quarter, and they have like a liquid in them so that when you walk on them, the liquid's moving back and forth, and it's like giving your feet a massage. And they really make standing up and walking around for a long period of time so much more comfortable. They come double-sided, so they're black on one side if you have shoes that they wouldn't be noticeable in that way, or they're tan, and the tan makes it perfect to put in your sandals. And if you're wearing flip-flops, you can cut this out. You can put it around your flip-flop and then just put double-sided tape on the back and attach it to your sandal, so you can still have orthotics that do a really great job even when you're wearing sandals. I got a pair for my husband, and he just loves them. He keeps saying, they feel so weird, but good weird. And it's like I'm getting a massage while I'm walking. So anyway, I highly recommend Rockin' Feet, and there will be a link in the description below. And I also carry my phone, and my phone is actually recording this video right now, so I can't show it to you, but my phone case is a case that opens up, and inside I can hold 2 cards. Only 2. So I have my driver's license and I have my debit card for those emergencies that I might need. And that's all I carry because I don't want to be loaded down with a lot of weight when I'm at a convention. I hope this helps some of you if you're packing to go somewhere and do something where you might need your technical equipment and stuff with you. Until next time, have a great day. And this isn't really a crafting video, but I normally say crafting away, so I don't know what to say. But anyway, have a great day.